This will be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-ups on the Brave web browser using a mobile device. I will be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Brave web browser. To enable or disable pop-ups on the Brave web browser, the first thing you want to do is go down to the three-dot hamburger menu in the lower right-hand corner. You want to tap on that. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then you want to tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. And from here, you want to scroll down in the Other Privacy Settings area. Right here, by default, pop-ups are blocked on the Brave web browser, but to enable it, you just toggle this off right here. And to disable pop-ups on the Brave web browser, you just make sure that this is toggled on. That is how you enable or disable pop-ups on the Brave web browser using a mobile device. Thanks for watching.